everyone, my name is Ken. Today I will talk about friends. Today, the previous lesson, I talked about you. I talked about the timber forest. But now, I will go into the first rainforest is the rainforest. What does the rainforest? Rainforest. What is the rainforest? What is the rainforest? The rainforest is that it has many rains. And a special one is every day it's warm. It rains but it's warm. Warm rain. How is this warm rain? First, the rain will come into, then the sun will shine through across, like here. That's right. The sun is here. This is the sun. Okay, this is the sun. This is the sun too. Then it will shine into this. That's the rain. Then it will go into the warm side. It will into the warm side. That will get into the warm side. That's how rainforests grow. That's animals like monkeys and parrots live. Monkeys are strong climbers. They use their strong arms and tails to balance under trees and climb. Next is parrots. Parrots are special birds that you didn't know. Parrots use their beaks to dig for their homes and find food. And they use a special one is they can repeat what people say. I say hello. The parrot say hello. Like that. That repeat. That is a good one. Do you think any animals that are notable in the rainforest? Thanks for listening to me. Goodbye.